introducing your own wolf pack. John Scott, Patty Ann Brown, and Uwe Ehrensenberger. They are Wolf News.
Good afternoon. This is Alfred Contreras reporting live for Wolf News. Today, we're investigating the mittens lost by the kittens. Today, I'm interviewing one of the kittens whose mother has forbade him from eating pie before he has found his mittens. Well, hey there, little fella. Have you any idea where your mittens have gone to?
I don't remember where I put them.
You don't remember? Well, what kind of pie is it that your mother has forbade you from eating?
Razzleberry.
Razzleberry? I've never heard of razzleberry pie before.
It's got a bunch of berries. It's yummy.
Sounds delicious.
I just wish I had my mittens.
You heard it, folks. Sad story today here. And back to you, Donna Nube.
Patty Ann Brown here on this crime scene in Phoenix, Arizona, where mini cars have been stolen recently. Look, there's one now. Let's catch him.
Oh, gee. Jesus. No! No!
No!
Well, what do we do now?
I don't know. It's Patty Brown here, and I've just been a victim of grand theft auto. If you have any clues on a red Honda Civic, please give us a call at 1-800-STOP-CRIME. Back to you, John Anube.
Let's see what we can find out. Franklin Masanovich here, on scene to figure out why teens are texting so much. Do you know your teens are texting? It's been known to many scientists that teens are texting so far and so long that they're now getting cramps and hurting their own thumbs. Some stay up late and get sleep deprived. All these questions and more to the real people, real teens, and real adults on their feelings about texting. Masanovich interviewing a student. What's your name?
My name is Michael Hurd.
All right. I'm going to have some questions for you about texting. How many texts do you think you send a day?
A lot. I'd say maybe 100.
100?
That's a lot.
All right. Have you ever stood up late texting beyond your bedtime?
Got a text. What was the question? Sorry.
Have you ever stood up late beyond your bedtime to text?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have. All the time.
Have you ever texted so much that your thumbs hurt at the end of the day?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what's your name? Well, it seems both these boys are busy texting. What's your name, ma'am? I just have a couple of questions for you. Have you ever texted so much that your thumbs hurt at the end of the night?
Yes.
How many texts do you think you send a day? 200? Do you think there's any problem with teens texting too much?
Yes.
Well, you heard it from her. There is a problem. Franklin again, here with two other teens. May I ask you, how many times do you send a text a day?
A lot, like probably 50,
50, 60? How about you?
Couple hundred.
Couple hundred? That's interesting. Have you ever texted so much that your fingers will hurt at the end of the day?
No.
No? No pain? How about you?
Sometimes I get thumb cramps.
Thumb cramps? That's a common side effect. Did you know that texting can speed up sexual relations between teens?
It's crazy.
It's not true?
I don't think so.
Did you know that?
Doubt it.
Did you know that on average you might send up to 5,000 texts a week?
Yeah.
Did you?
200 a day, 1,400.
1,400. Well, there you have it. Franklin again. What's your name, ma'am?
It's Gail Nash Brenna. Hi, Franklin.
How's it going? Do you have any problems with teens texting too much these days?
Well, I'd say as a general consensus, as a proud parent, and in general observations at large, it's become a paramount problem for all us kind parents who want to see a better and safer world.
That makes sense. Did you know a Greg Hardesty sent in 1 month 14,528 texts? What if your child did that?
Well, that would be very unfortunate. Thankfully, my child has taken a second look at the texting addiction, if you will.
That's it. You heard it, folks. Back to you, John and Uwe.
Thank you for watching Wolf News.
Brown here on the scene of a crime in Phoenix, Arizona, where many cars have been stolen recently. Okay. Sorry, can we?
No.
I didn't know what to do.
Oh, shit! Oh! Get! Patty, get back! No! What?
Patty Brown here again live, just reporting. You didn't get it.
No, I didn't. Hello. This is... What's my name?
Oh, hold on.